soya chunk falafel. Yalla yalla, habibi. Today I'm going to be making a fantastic recipe. Everybody loves falafels. I'm making a fantastic falafel wrap with the pickles, hummus, the works. You are going to love it. I'm using Emami healthy and tasty soya chunks. Now, for me, soya chunks have been around since childhood. And believe me, this has the goodness of protein, iron, zinc, calcium and fiber. और क्या चाहिए? चलो बनाते हैं falafel. Now for the falafel, which are traditionally made with chickpeas, what I have done is I've actually sprouted this chana here. So I've got about half a cup of chickpeas here, to which I'm adding some soaked soya chunks. Now if you see on my playlist right here, we've got some fantastic soya recipes, Now, how you prepare them, what else you can do with them, there's plenty that you can do. Now what I've done here is I've actually soaked these in a little bit of salted water, warm salted water for some time. Make sure they get hydrated. After that, I've rinsed them a few times in cold water and squeezed all the water out almost. So I've got these lovely, beautiful textural things which I'm going to be adding. So I'm adding about 1 cup of soya chunks, to which I'm going to be adding some parsley here, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies, Now a little bit of red chili powder, a little bit of jeera or cumin powder. Amazing. And then I'm adding a little bit of coriander powder. So about a teaspoon each, I think, is a fair amount. To this we're going to be adding a little bit of salt to taste, and then we are actually going to be blitzing this to create this amazing falafel. And then just a little water to mix, not too much. I would say about 1 tablespoon. Now into the blender to create this amazing mix of falafel before we fry them. So we have our falafel mixture which is ready. We're going to be shaping into the small balls and frying them. You can make them into discs, you can make them into croquettes. You can be as creative as you want, guys, as creative as you want. Let's give it a little shot. Falafel balls ready, beautiful soya falafel. Let me check if my oil is hot and nice. Yes, we're almost there, In a couple of minutes, I'm going to be dropping the rest of my falafels in here. I also have a really nice hummus which is made. I've got a fantastic shawarma recipe in my playlist. Check it out, you can get a damn good recipe for hummus, for pickles, the works. So we've got these lovely little tikki kind of falafels which I'm doing. Small balls, form them together, flatten them a little bit, perfect. Give them a little shape, perfect. So you can do any shape, any size, जैसे आपकी choice है. Now since these are going to go into a wrap, I thought to make them kind of bite size as well. So I'm going to be making one nice large wrap for you, which you will kind of enjoy. Great feeling. Hummus, pickles, the works. So you can see, ये 5 का दम जो है, it's very nutritious. Now there are recipes where you can actually put this in the oven. So if you want to bake them, be my guest. I think it'll be a very good option to do. आजकल लोग air fryer भी बहुत use कर रहे हैं. So you can even use your air fry to bake your falafel. But you know what? Frying here. It tastes really nice. But imagine you're eating a lot of protein and fiber. ये जो 5 का दम है, it's definitely something. And something to taste so good. I mean, I've tried different soya chunks which are available in the market. टेस्ट है ना भैया, टेस्ट की बात तो यही है भैया. So I'm going to be turning down my temperature just a little bit. We are looking at a nice medium high frying for our falafels. Almost everything is cooked, so basically we just have to crisp them up, color them through, warm them up, and that's it. Beautiful. Fantastic. Amazing, beautifully, lovely, nice and crispy. Fantastico. Fresh falafel at home, वो भी soya chunks के साथ. भाई क्या बात है. This is something definitely a game-changing experience for your health, for your taste, for your family. You know what I'm saying? All right, I have everything sorted. My hummus, my hot sauce, my pickles, my lettuce, and of course my amazing soya falafel. All I need now, I need some music. Hey music, come on baby. Definitely a game changer. Soft inside, crunchy outside, exactly the way a falafel should be. And imagine creating this with umami, healthy and tasty soya chunks. I think we have a winner. Do like, do share, do subscribe. And if you want to take a look at a lot more amazing recipes with umami, get into that folder, do like, do subscribe, definitely share and let me know what you think. See you soon.